If you're trying to switch to editing mode in Word, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you the easiest way to move out of viewing or reviewing mode and get back into full editing mode so you can start typing, deleting, and making changes right away. This is a simple fix, but if you're not familiar with the Word interface, it can be confusing at first. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your Word document and look at the top right area of the window. In many versions of Word, you'll see a drop-down or mode selector there. This is where Word tells you whether you're currently in viewing, reviewing, or editing mode. If you're in viewing mode, you usually can read the document, but you can't make changes. If you're in reviewing mode, you may be able to leave comments or see tracked changes, but still not edit freely. To switch things back, click the drop-down in the top right ribbon area. A small menu should appear with different mode options. From that list, choose Editing. Once you select Editing, Word should immediately unlock the document for normal use. You can now click into the text, place your cursor wherever you want, and start typing or modifying content. If the document still won't let you edit after switching modes, take a quick look for any protected view message, sign-in prompt, or document restrictions, because sometimes the file itself may be locked down by the author or by permissions. But in most cases, simply changing that top right mode from viewing or reviewing to editing is all you need. This is especially useful if you opened a shared document, received a file from someone else, or accidentally switched modes while working. It's one of those small Word features that can save you a lot of frustration once you know where to look. So again, just use the top right mode drop-down, switch to editing, and you're good to go. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.